Alright people, welcome back to my channel, Real Youth Entertainment. Today we're going to do some epic fool like Superman and Batman. Right. Alright, so we'll take on a challenge today. We have some sweet fruits, we have some sour things, and we have some hot things, and bitter as well. So, banana there, pineapple, watermelon, lime, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, sweet mango, Jamaica apple, and
guys, everybody know this single Bible, but me I pray that I win the challenge even though I not win it, because why them stop me at onion, garlic. No, I can't do this. But anyway, I'm gonna try, and I hope you guys like the video. Comment, and for all who do not subscribe to the video as yet, please I'm asking you to subscribe. So we're gonna start off the challenge right now.
Alright, so we'll have here, so we'll talk them with some numbers, and any number you choose from the cup.
That's the fruit,
or anything you have to eat.
Right.
Alright, so
we're gonna do a little rock, paper, scissors.
see who go first.
And see who go first. Alright.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh no!
Okay guys, so I win, so I will just go first. You know I'm the lady.
So I'm going first.
Yes, I'm going first.
Alright.
Alright, you hold the thing. I'm gonna shut my eye and pick the number.
So shuffle it up.
Yeah.
Alright. Take your number.
Where it is. Oh my god. Alright. So guys, I have my number in my hand and now I'm going to open my eyes to see which number did I pick. I hope it's not the onion. I hope it's not the single Bible. I hope it's not the garlic. Okay, right now I'm going to open. Guys, it's number 5. And that's the lime.
So you know you have to go.
That's the lime.
And eat it.
Woo!
No. You don't have to eat that before that. You can just eat half of it.
Guys,
Good for
give
you.
me my Antowil.
You can't get
Give me Antowil. Yeah.
You can't catch something there with this.
Alright.
Good for the flu. Is it?
Nah,
Good
no
for the
flu.
flu.
Which flu matter
It's heard corona too. How about it?
Alright, so we go the seed, guys. About that because that one year, boy. Alright. Woohoo!
So, you can just imagine another me and eat it. Feel it, feel it.
Oh my god. This guy's. This one is really sour.
I want to add people. I want to hot.
So guys, now it's his turn. So
Well, we have to go again. We have to go.
yes, you have to go. Alright, so you're gonna close your eye right now and I'm gonna shuffle the cards, numbers.
It's a rush, myself.
Yeah. Why? All people all know my eye them feel awake and I'm eat. Why? Ready, shut your eye. You can pick your number right now. Somebody say my prayer to God. Shut your eye. Pick your number. Alright.
Oh my god. One, the line, the number you want to pick. No!
No!
Yes!
Number 2. Number 2, guys. Number 2.
Number 2.
Ah,
What the boy don't want to steal the 2? So what the boy what? Number 2.
why?
Yes.
Why?
That's out of the trail. So what number 2, yeah?
I'm going to cry. That's mine. That's mine. Can you start off and pick a different number?
No.
That's mine.
How are you?
That's
Yeah,
mine.
you know what? That's why it's on cruise. Simple. It's on touch there. I got right above the table. Perfect. Quick, the lead. Yeah, that's great.
I just break it because here we have full EPS, but we just choose to break it. Guys, look at that.
Easiest thing for you. Guess what I'm gonna
Guys, I was hopeful for him to get a bitter stuff, but he did not get a bitter stuff.
Sweet, sweet mango.
Can I have peas? Can I have peas?
I like sweet and fruit. Yeah, this little near. I feel good. Alright. So, well done, you see? Prayers beat anything. Anything prayers beat. See that?
That's true.
God did it by me.
So, it's my turn now to pick again, guys. So, let's see what I pick.
I'm shutting eye. No cheating.
I'm not cheated.
Come.
Number. Okay, I have my number now. Let's see what number this is. Jesus, take the wheel. Take this out of my hand. Guys, number 10. Number 10.
One thing.
And that's the Cinco Bible.
Oh, Lord, there was no. Now we call the brother for the cast.
No, I don't think I can do that one day. I don't think I can do that.
I'm going one, you going one. I'm going to eat it. Win.
Alright guys, I'm sure I'm big, I'm a bad. Yeah, I can do this. No, can't do this. No. Alright, we are going to do it. Alright, we are going to do it. I do it, we are doing it. Alright, so I'm going to move with this from here, so.
Actually, worse things. Bible, I do.
Guys, I never even eat this before. I mean, forget the worst things.
I never prayed this difference. Should I eat it?
Alright guys, here we go.
Yeah,
Alright, see here. I cut it out. So see here.
Chew it up. Don't swallow. Chew. Got it through. What is that like?
Guys. Can't do that one there. No single baby around here.
Yeah, I know how then.
Woo!
That is forbidden. Yeah, what is it? Bitter.
That gross.
Oh.
So guys, it's time
You lose
now.
that thing?
Yes.
You're not getting the marks for
I
that.
don't get any marks for that, I know.
Still that one.
Yeah, it's time now to pick, so you have to close your eyes.
Eyes are go cheat.
Yes, we could have got a sink of that, I swear. Not even like the smell of it.
Number 6.
He got number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. And you know guys what number 6 is? Garlic! No, you don't have to do that. You can just simply put it. Guys, me want to put it for you now. Me want to put it for you. As I'm pecking my eat.
A peg of a clove. Peg of a clove.
You have a chop that I
Peg
eat that.
of a clove. Peg of a clove.
Let me clean it up for you. Because I want to see you eat this. And no more you get that, I'm going to at the sink of Bible me to get. But no, you're going to spit out this. Guys, I know I'm going to spit out this because him not like garlic at all. Just as me, I don't like sink of Bible. Not even like the smell of it either. So, here you go. Guys, see him garlic here. Ready? Go. Hey, go, go. Come on, see your face. The people that want to see your face. They want to see your face. Go, 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 go. Try it out. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, go.
Yeah, eat that.
You can't move it up. You can't go that way. Yes, guys. Whoppings. Oh, that feel. Oh, that feel. Oh, that feel. No, guys. I'm not gonna love that little challenge, but why? Drama is turned up in here. Alright, my time now, guys, to pick my number again. So
1-1.
well, that's still 1-1 it remained. Ready? Shut my eyes, shuffle up the deck. God, I am asking you for this one. It's either a fruit. Yeah. Well, the paper not somebody for pick it now. But it's right, I'll pick my number.
Yet. Jesus! This is when I knew it.
Guys! No! Number 8? Guys, you know what number 8 is? The onion.
What do you mean, man?
Well, it's just a piece of it.
Come, you know what you are.
No, it's just piece of it. I can do it. No.
No, I can do it. I'm not treated too bad. Not treated. You have to feel the pain. You load. You have to eat a little piece of it. That's why I get it top.
No, I can't eat there.
So?
No, I want to cut it myself.
Don't worry. I cut it these things. I cut things too.
Alright, there it is. Alright, thank you. So guys, this is the onion.
Oh, onion. The bad boy, Trevor. Alright. There we go. Onion, Gary. Boss. Eat one more piece. Now you can. Start it off like a boy. No, you couldn't manage it. I'm like your thugs. No, you couldn't manage it. Much time. Don't want me to do. Don't want me. Or yourself, you should choose something better, right? And I'll do that. Sure. Know what food is making Don't want me to do.
Guys.
Alright. My turn now, people. My turn now. Love this. So 1-1 same way.
Shut your eye. Quick.
Open and cheap now while I'm mostly a fruit. It's number 9. That's the banana. Ooh. Still have the side effects from the last one, girl. Banana, we get peeps. So I'll eat this.
Have this?
Eat this. Have this? No, that's cheating. No, sweet up your mouth. None at all. Nothing. Banana peep. Banana.
Guys, if you notice, I am the one that get all the bitter stuff right here and the sour. Not even taste of fruit or no. So it's my time again.
Still a feel effect from now and then.
The onion, I want if you don't want from it.
Oh, yeah, it's dangerous when the onion. And tell you that.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, it's harder than the onion.
Because I love onion. I'm safe. I can't eat it that way there. So that one to put Alright. Sorry. So guys, I picked this number. Jesus, Heavenly Father.
For one. Jesus.
Father God. Number 1.
Not too good. You know our number 1? Beast of the pack.
Pepper. I want me to win a life.
Oh, just bite a little chunk. Not to pressure you. Bite a chunk of that pepper.
Ignorant.
You can't put out peas when you want to see you eat the pepper. No, no, that's cheating there. That's cheating, girl. How you talking?
No, babes.
What's a deal there? Real feeling. True. Hot? Burning? Stop burning?
Oh my
Oh, fun. Gosh.
gosh. Shut your eyes.
Give that one. Shake it up, shake it up like a people. They get the worst things after that. Stamps like jazz.
What number is it?
7. What's it?
Pineapple.
Why? And this the woman them love to eat. Some here, at least. Happy. Sweet. Come like sugar loaf. I think I know that. Sweet white man. Sweet.
So it's, guys, it's my time again.
My people, like, subscribe. What's good? Now
And
it's the
also
time.
comment.
So there's only 2 of the pack left. 2 of the pack. I guess Shabba one I would eat. I guess turns out probably have a winning challenge.
It's number 3.
Boy, somewhere still alive.
The melon. One me have the roughest set of some of them. Things some I don't like me I fear eat.
Vex here now, why? Why? It's hard to the game. It's hard to them now, like. You know you're a idiot. Something I like. Enjoy.
Guys, you can believe that this is my first fruits. Got it.
I wonder what people, the last thing I left. I don't worry. And me I go enjoy it. So it's sweet, Jamaican apple. Yeah. That win. You want to go 2? Let's go 3. Four.
Four.
Four, I go. Need to find this, I go 4 people. Get 4 fruits. Get 4 fruits then. Pine, mango, banana, and apple. The only thing about when we get today is the garlic. It was really nice.
Guys, I will get one fruit, and actually you guys can see it. It's the watermelon. And everything else, Cinco Bible, the onion, the lime, and the pepper. Yeah. So we win 2 challenge.
You win 2 challenge?
Yeah, the
Me win 2 challenge. I won this.
yes, I won 2 challenge.
Oh.
The watermelon and the lime.
I know we nothing. I would want the most.
Whatever. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it. Comment on it and share it with your friends, your family, your cousin, your next cousin, your cousin friend, your cousin brother. Go way down the line.
Subscribe. No.
So we are out for now.
Peace. Love you guys.